Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry cookie. It's called polvorones, and I know you guys are going to love them. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious polvorones cookies, these are the ingredients. I have strawberry extract. If you don't have strawberry extract, you could use vanilla extract, 1 room temperature egg, a pinch of salt, baking powder, Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter. This is everything we need to make these strawberry cookies at home. I call them polvorones. So let's get started. I want to start here with the butter. I have unsalted butter that is at room temperature. It's really nice and soft and smooth. And now I'm adding the granulated sugar, the pinch of salt, and the Nesquik of strawberry. I am going to incorporate it really good, cream it really good until all the sugar has been combined and the strawberry Nesquik has been combined into the butter. Look at this. It's really creamy, just like that. Okay, now I am ready to add the strawberry extract. If you don't have strawberry extract, you could use vanilla or any flavoring extract that you have at home. But here I'm going to add the room temperature egg, and I'm going to incorporate it really good. If the mixture is still dry, you could add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or water. You decide. But here I am just incorporating really good the ingredients, and now I am ready to add the dry ingredients. I'm going to sift them really good, making sure that everything is nice and sifted, because these polvorones cookies come out delicious and amazing. And I am sure that once you try them, you are going to love them. Very easy to prepare, very few ingredients, but they come out perfect. And here I'm using the spatula, but now I am ready to use my hands. My hands are nice and clean, and I'm just going to incorporate a little bit at a time, and you're gonna start seeing the ball of dough getting together. It's really soft, and that's exactly how you want it. It shouldn't be sticking to your hands. Look at this. Now that you have it ready, then preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in the oven for 15 minutes. No more than 15 minutes. Look at this. This dough, it's very easy to prepare. You don't need to freeze it. Just like that, you are ready to make your polvorones, little balls that you're going to take to the oven. Just make sure that the balls are almost the same size. They're not gonna expand too much, so just leave a little bit of space in between them. Believe me, these Mexican polvorones cookies come out delicious every time. If you have little ones at home, they could come in the kitchen. You could invite them in the kitchen so they could help you roll out these little balls. I am going to continue rolling the little balls for the polvorones, and then I'll show you when I am completely done. I made 2, and now I am ready to take them to the oven. But let me show you. Try that all your little balls are almost the same size. Your polvorones are going to come out delicious. Remember, always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and they're gonna go in the oven only for 15 minutes. No more than 15 minutes. They're not gonna get brown from the top. They're only going to get a little bit brown from the bottom. Look at this. And now I am ready to add a little bit of honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of water, and I'm going to incorporate it really good because I am going to brush each cookie with this mixture. And really, you don't need too much honey. Just a little bit goes a long way. And now I am ready to brush right on the top and then add a little bit of the strawberry Nesquik on the top. This is decoration and it gives it an amazing taste. I am sure that once you make them, you are going to say, Cooking with Gloria really knows how to make these polvorones. Look at this. From the top, they're nice and pink. From the bottom, they're brown, and that's exactly how they need to be. And now I'm just gonna brush them with that mixture of the honey and the water. I'm just brushing them just a little bit, just to get them just a little bit wet from the top. And once I brush them from the top, now I am ready to add the Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik, right on the top. These cookies really come out delicious and they look amazing. The Nesquik with that flavor of the strawberry really gives this cookie an amazing taste. Well, here I'm just gonna cover them with Nesquik, and of course I'm gonna transfer them to another plate for the presentation, because you know I love to present my dishes really beautiful so that when you see them, you leave me the thumbs up, you subscribe to my channel, and you share my channel and my recipe. And here, let me show you from close up how you're just gonna brush them right on the top, and then you are going to sprinkle the strawberry Nesquik right on the top. And if you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen, invite them in the kitchen so that they could help you. Even add the Nesquik right on the top of the cookie. Look at this. Well, here I am done and I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy them, either with the glass of milk or with coffee. You decide. But here, I just want to show you how beautiful they come out. And they taste amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these strawberry polvorones. I know that you guys are going to love them, but this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. They're nice and hard from the outside, but from the center, they're nice and gooey. Delicious. You need to make them at home. You need to enjoy what I enjoy here with my family.
If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.